what's the first thing I should do with you? Wheel feet! Nice.
Wizard lad, you're back!
First, I'm going to destroy you. Then find the Ruby of Zubadooby, so I can destroy this entire school. Then, if there's time...
And firing neurons during exciting passages.
And why don't you like these books of weather and magic?
I'll tell you why. Once upon a time, there was a wizard with a magic wand. But it still took him 400 pages to stop a bad dude, even